President-elect and I have had many extensive conversations over the past week about the problems and opportunities confronting the United States in the international field. He has urged me particularly to bring in new procedures and the best talent in the country, whether or not it agrees with his views. I enthusiastically accept this assignment, and I shall serve the President-elect with all my energy and dedication.
Dr. Kissinger is a man who is known to all people who are interested in foreign policy as perhaps one of the major scholars in America and the world today in this area. He has never yet had a full-time government assignment, and he will bring to this responsibility a fresh approach, and I trust under his direction he will establish a new organization, bring new men, and develop new ideas and new policies for the critical problems America has in the field of foreign policy around the world.
There's been some talk that you really intended to serve as your own Secretary of State.
Yes.
Do you have any comment on that as relates to this appointment?
Yes. Well, Dr. Kissinger will serve as my chief foreign policy advisor within the White House. Of course, the Secretary of State is the chief foreign policy advisor to the President of the United States. The backbreaking job within the cabinet, I think it takes two men, and I intend to have a very strong Secretary of State. University has agreed to come with the White House. And yes, for camera, sure. Yes. He could later to discuss this in more detail, but now I know you would like to hear from Dr. Kissinger.
Here. The procedure we will follow.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm honored by the confidence that the President-elect has expressed in me, by the opportunity to serve in his administration. Now, I'm pleased also to announce that Dr. Richard Allen, who served as Mr. Nixon's foreign policy advisor during the campaign, has consented to join my staff as one of my principal aides. I look forward to working with him very closely.